Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create the EFI folder for installing your Mac operating system on any non-Mac PC or laptop. First of all, you need to download this OpCore Simplify. Here you have to download the zip file. You have to extract it. Here you have to run this file OpCore Simplify. It will ask permission to install Python. Type Y. Wait for some time. It will install Python on your PC or laptop. Wait for some time till the moment this Python installation is completed. So it has installed Python and now it is asking for the hardware report. Let's see. Type 1. It will install the high hardware sniffer. Basically you have to turn off your antivirus. You have to turn the setting off, real time protection off, and drive protection also to be turned off. Now you can type. Now it will help to generate your hardware report. See, it has generated your hardware report. It is showing all the components which are compatible You can see you have AMD Ryzen 5 Pro 3500U with Radeon Vega mobile graphics, which is supported up to macOS Square 15. Its inbuilt AMD Radeon Vega graphics they are also supported up to macOS Sequoia. Sound card AMD high definition audio that is supported, Realtek audio supported. Then you have Wi-Fi card. Your Wi-Fi card is partially supported, and PCI controller they are fully supported. SATA controller supported. Even your Bluetooth is supported. So let's press enter. Now it's asking for the operating system. So I'm gonna install macOS Monterey 12. So I'm typing 21. Okay. Antivirus is creating some problem, but it will be able to generate the report. It has generated the SCPA tables. Now it's asking for the macOS version. Now it is asking for the text. I'm asking for the second one. First one. We have selected the macOS Monterey 12. So next for the SCP, I selected all those. I'm selecting B for going back. Now for the text, lost SMBus model MacBook Pro 1613 in my case. Here you can see MacBook Pro 1613. 65. Now comes the last one, build the EFI. It has generated all the checks that are needed. You have to wait for some time and let this thing complete. So here you have to select the ID codec for audio. I am selecting number 100. So here is the EFI that is in the OpCore Simplify main folder. You just have to copy this EFI to the EFI folder that you have created using Balenature. I will show this process later on. Thank you for now. So EFI is the main thing that you have to generate for your PC or laptop. I have shown the complete video with all the errors that I can cover. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Part 2 will be uploaded soon.